This is chapter number 8, Civilizing the Native, Educating the Nation. So we are taking question and answer on this. These are certain pictures and we'll come back whenever it is required. So there are different kind of questions. We are taking MCQs, fill in the blanks, true, false, match the following. The first question is, William Jones was a linguist because linguist means the knowledge of various languages or interested in languages. So the answer is all of these. Why? Because he studied Greek, Latin, French, English, Persian. So most of the language he was interested in. So here is William Jones. He is a philologist. Many times his picture will come. Who set up Asiatic Society of Bengal? So Asiatic Society of Bengal, those who love the tradition, who love the language of our nation, respect, wanted them to prosper. So they created this Asiatic Society of Bengal. So all of these is the answer. William Jones, then we have Henry Thomas Colebrook, then we have Nathaniel Halihead. Madrasa was set up in Calcutta in the year. The answer is 1781. 1781. According to whom this English education had enslaved Indians, made us slave. The European language, education, English education has made Indians as their slaves. The answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Here you see, he is Mahatma Gandhi. You know, in this chapter, the comparison is also given. That is why the picture I showed together. The Education Act was introduced in the year. So this Education Act came in 1835. Asiatic Researchers Journal was not started by. The answer is not started by. So who have started? William Jones have started, Henry Thomas Colebrook have started, and Nathaniel Halihead. So William Carey, he did not started it. Study of which of the following was not the purpose of setting up Madrasa in Calcutta in 1781? Not the purpose. The answer is Sanskrit. Arabic, Persian, Islamic laws were the reason. In madrasas, I'll talk about the Sanskrit also, what establishment were set up. Who was Charles Wood? So the answer is he was the president of the board of control of the company. So we are talking about East India Company. So the board which is controlling the whole country, he was the president. A is the answer. He is Charles Wood. The English Education Act was passed. See, all of these is the answer. Macaulay, his picture is coming. So to materialize his thinking or his kind of thoughts, there are so many people who wanted that those Orientalists, they are not thinking well. English has to be the language of India. And higher education also, and the promotion of Oriental institution, for example, the madrasas and Banaras Hindu College, they were not interested in. They don't want government to put money in this. What type of school did Tagore want to set up? Now Tagore, Rabindranath Thakur or Tagore, when he was kid, he didn't like the school because he used to think outside when the class was going on. So he was a kind of artist. He was multifaceted person. He thinks that the kid, they are very creative. So rather than bounding it in books, he must be given free and creative kind of atmosphere. So free and creative, happy he should be, a kid or a child. Along with this, what his aspirations, desires, thoughts, all these should be explored by him, and the teachers should promote that. He is a Nobel laureate. Who said these education means all around drawing out of the best in child and man, body, mind, and spirit? The answer is Mahatma Gandhi ji, because he was thinking that the anyone should learn and educate himself and educate the moral values, ethics also, and then practical knowledge is also important, not only the bookish knowledge. Everything has to be there. Now let us match these. Linguist linguist means a person who knows and studies several languages. So, Orientalist, I'll just take you to the next part. Munshi, a person who can read, write, and reach or teach Persian. So, let us go to the actual Orientalist matching and vernacular matching. I'll just show you. Okay. See, first of all, vernacular is a local language. That is, apart from English, all the languages in India, they were calling it as vernacular language. Linguists, I told you, see, Orientalists, I want to highlight here. People who have scholarly knowledge of the language and culture of Asia, that is Asia, the subcontinent, they were interested in the language and they were happy with it. They don't want to impose English or European language on us. Wood's Dispatch. So, an order bought from English or England to India by Wood, Charles Wood. Pathshalas, a place of learning. So, this is how let us match it here. Vernacular, local language, Orientalist, people who have scholarly knowledge of the language and culture of Asia. So, this is the final matching. Mahatma Gandhi was the promoter of English language. This is absolutely wrong. He was very much against this English language. William Jones had a respect for ancient cultures, and this is absolutely true. So, he was very happy with the language. He used to learn here and he tried to learn all the languages, go to his friend, and this is how he was very much into ancient cultures. Thomas Macaulay thought that European education was necessary in India. This is absolutely true. Thomas Babington Macaulay he was, and he was against the Orientalist. So, he was talking about that European language should be imposed. William Carey had an appointment as a Supreme Court judge. This is false. William Carey, he was an English Christian missionary, a Baptist minister, translator, social reformer, and cultural anthropologist who founded this Serampore College and the Serampore University, the first degree awarding university in India. And it was created in Dutch area, not in the English area. Hindu college was set up at Banaras to encourage the study of ancient Hindi texts. No, the answer is Sanskrit. William Adam was a Scottish missionary. This is absolutely true. William Adam, Scottish missionary. Mahatma Gandhi favored, we are taking fill in the blanks. He favored dash languages as a medium of instruction. He was favoring Indian language. Indian. Okay. William Jones had dash for Indian ancient cultures. Respect. He loved Indian culture. He loved the Indian languages. Charles Wood emphasized the practical benefits of a system of European learnings. That is the European, English. That is how the country, the Indian people will know about the rich knowledge, literature, along with the scientific knowledge. Charles Wood. He is Charles Wood. Dash started this Shanti Niketan in 1901. The answer is Rabindranath Tagore or Rabindranath Tagore. See, he is there. He is also Rabindranath Tagore. This is how the kids are being taught. And this is the picture of Shanti Niketan. Very cool area, very nice area. According to Adams' report, there were over 1 lakh dash in Bengal and Bihar. Pathshalas. So, William Adam was given this task, and he went and he saw schools, a kind of pathshalas, 20 kids around studying. The community was funding, the teacher is there, which is called guru, and it was very flexible also. That is, poor kids can also come here, and they can also leave whenever there is a season of harvesting. So here is William Adam, Scottish. Okay, this is all about these question answers. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.